Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Tosh Morelli, your band teacher, and this is the video on how to put together your saxophone, mouthpiece, and neck assembly. Alright, this is the neck, this is the mouthpiece. We're going to start with the reed. Okay, you're going to grasp the reed by the thick part. We never, ever, ever touch the thin part of the reed. Okay, we're going to put it in our mouths to wet it while we get everything else set together. All right, you keep your reed in your mouth and keep wetting it. I'm going to take mine out just so I can talk to you. Remember, you're going to take the neck part, you're going to put the cork facing the ceiling and the lower end facing yourself. Okay, I'm going to go this way here. You're going to take the mouthpiece, you can slide the ligature off. Okay, take a little bit of cork grease. Cork grease on about half of this cork. You don't need to grease up the whole thing. You're only going halfway down. While looking at the hole in the mouthpiece, so you're looking at the part where the reed's going to go. And you're going to twist and push about halfway down. So now the hole of the neck is facing you. The point is pointing up, and the hole in the mouthpiece is facing you as well. All right. Still have your reed in your mouth? Time to take it out. Now you're going to take the word, the flat side of the reed, and you're going to put it on the flat side of the mouthpiece. Just like this. Okay? You're going to hold it there with your thumb without ever touching the top. You line it up across the top, line it up on the sides, take your ligature. Make sure your ligature is right side up. Slide it down until it looks like this. And you can see the smiley face cut on the reed. See that smiley face right there? Tighten up the ligature. Not too tight. Just so much that it's not going to move around. All right. Remember the funny face we did? We said weetove, like W-E-E-T-O-O-V. So here we go. Weetove. Remember, you're going to bite your bottom lip just a little bit. We'll try that again. Weetove. Make sure the corners of your mouth are nice and far back. Here we go. Weetove. Going to aim the saxophone right at your face and straight out. Weetove. You're going to put about half of the reed into your mouth. Teeth on top, lip on the bottom. Because you remember, if you bite the reed, it'll break. Remember, you want to stay cheeks in here, real nice and tight. Embouchure, the way that your mouth goes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make separate note sounds. You're going to use your tongue. So inside your mouth, it's going to kind of feel like you're saying too, 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 like T-O-O. Instead of your teeth touching your tongue touching the back of your teeth, your tongue is actually going to flick the reed. Okay? Don't stay on there, but too, 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 so that your tongue goes away. It'll give you a nice clear sound. All right, here we go. Weetove. All right, now we're going to take that same action. We're going to play the first song that's up there on my head, behind my head. And if you have your rhythm sheet, you can play along. This is song number 5 on your rhythm sheet. Okay, here we go. Weetove. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, if that felt easy to do, then you're doing it correctly. If your tongue feels fuzzy or tingly, or if you had a stuffy nose sound coming out of your saxophone, it's likely that you have left your tongue touching the reed the whole time. So I want you to try that again. Make sure you get a nice clear too, and that for the oo part, your tongue goes down to the bottom of your mouth. If you're still having problems after practicing this every day for about 10 minutes each day, ask me a personal question in the next lesson and I can give you some specific advice. Until then, keep practicing every day.